This video is about how you can make innovation work within your company. Business designer Michiel Hogeboom shares the 3 things you need to have in place.
When you have set your innovation strategy and the portfolio of innovations you want to drive is set, you have a big part of your innovation blueprint. Now the next challenge is how to bring these innovations to market with high speed, guiding the output towards new value for your customers, thus for your company. To enable you to do this, there are 3 elements that you need to have in place. The first element is a right process. The second element is the right people to drive this process, and you need to be facilitated with the third part, the right resources. First comes the process. Innovation is all about de-risking your ideas. That's why you need to have a fast and iterative process in place with a proven method and tools. Secondly, you have to have a cross-disciplinary team in place with the right capabilities and mindset to drive your innovation in the organization. People willing to learn and trying new things. And very important, fall in love with the customer's problem and not with the solution. Keep in mind that innovators are a different breed. So you need to build up your own team within your organization of explorers, of scalers, and people who are able to bring this to execution. Lastly, but not less important, the team needs to be set up for success. They need to have dedicated time for the innovation, ring-fence budget to bring it forward, and also very important, have the stakeholders in the existing business supporting them. Key in this is that these stakeholders, like the sales organization who need to provide access to existing customers, need to move in another speed and also with another mindset of learning. Having this in place enables the team to validate or preferably invalidate the biggest assumptions fast and bring new value to your customers, thus for your business.
Curious to find out the innovation maturity level of your organization? Assess your company with our quick scan and receive personal advice in your inbox.